also the old templates on the wall. That's the way we used to do templates. This system has changed the way we do things. Has put us in a different level that is, to me, amazing. I'm always impressed with it every single day.
Really happy with the performance of those machines. We became fully digital in 2010. I can tell you, previous to digital templating, I had a sea of Luan templates and a sea of misfit kitchens. And with my incorporation of the LT-55, we have all but eliminated that.
My goal at that point in time was 85% success, but sometimes we wouldn't get there because templates made out of coroplast or out of door skins are going to swell. And, we're working with water. You're taking something from a house that's built out of strips and sticks that are long and straight, not capturing contours of the wall or specific details that now I capture when I'm moving over to that. And by going digital, now I could use the LT-55 and I'm going straight from my template maker to my machine, and the accuracy is incredible. The turnover time from templating to creating a file for the machines to run is tremendous. I don't have a guy that needs to drive around in a van or a pickup truck dragging a bunch of coroplast around and glue and tools. Instead, he goes out and his template time's reduced. He walks in with a tripod and a suitcase, and he walks out with something that's 20 times more accurate.
About a year and a half ago, we decided to make the change from a totally manual shop to a digital shop. The first step we took was to buy the laser templating system in conjunction with some new machinery in our shop. Without this system, we were kind of being left behind a little bit. This system, along with the machinery, has increased our capacity about 30%. We went from doing about 10 to 12 kitchens a week to now we're producing about 15 to 20 kitchens a week. Along with vanities, tub decks, fireplaces, and it's been a huge help, and it's helped take our company to the next level.
Paperwork, the templates, the procedure, the way, especially if you have all state-of-the-art equipment like we do, it just works. We scan, these things follow the jobs, it's beautiful. It helps your management and your team in the shop become one, and it helps you eliminate the small, overlooking sinks, overlooking edge detail, overlooking radiuses, overlooking the customer's name, the color, anything. It's all there. It's printed out. It's scaled. It's the actual cut template, which is unbelievable. There's no way to deny that what you just cut is what you're looking at, and there's no discrepancy. And if there is a problem, then you know where it is. It comes right back home, and you correct it easily. There's no finger pointing. There's no questioning. And when you have a guy that implements this machine the way he does, and then the way I do it here is simple. We don't worry about it. We don't have anything come back in our face, and our guys, they never question it. Never.
4 years ago, we bought the LT-55 templating solution. We decided to go digital because we were buying a CNC router. The LT-55 has taken our company from a manual shop to digital technology. All of our kitchens fit, and they fit perfectly.
What was the difference from sticks and glue to digital?
Well, I don't have to do the demo. I can go and do a template without having to do demo with the glue. So it's faster. I can do 5, 6 houses in a day, and I can Wi-Fi it straight to the fabrication shop. So it's quick.
But what it's actually done is eliminated an entire process of digitizing a stick template, programming the machine to where the software, the laser product software, integrates directly with the robot. So now my templater is performing the function of 2 guys. He's doing the job of 2 guys. So when he leaves the house, that job's ready to go. He can email it straight to the robot. And I always tell people, we can be cutting your job before the templater guy gets in his truck to come back to the next job, which is fantastic.
So you used to take Coroplast, cut it up, take it back, and then digitize it, so you had twice the labor.
Yep.
So when you went to digital, you probably saved a bunch of time, right?
Oh, I would probably say it was probably costing me $100 per job, and we're cutting about 25 to 30 kitchens a week.
So you saved $100 a job doing this.
Yes.
We get a lot of guys that say it's more like 100.
It's $100. If you take the labor and the time and moving the templates, doing it on site with all the mess that's going on around it because the other construction going on, you're having to move everything off the counters, and then so it's a lot of more time on the templating side.
Going from traditional to digital was the easiest thing and very simple. We converted our shop to fully 100% digital, and this is a very important part of that.
I went from doing wooden templates with the sticks to upgrading to the laser. It literally took the trainer about 30 minutes. I grabbed it and haven't talked to him since.
D3D.
We used to template with Coroplast, which took a lot of time, and the cost of it was way more than what the laser was. We made the transition 6 years ago, I believe, and we did it before we went full digital and printed templates off a Allen Datagraph plotter. Then we went digital.
And the benefits of the digital versus what you used to before?
For us, it's time, and time is what everybody fights. My first day using a laser, I templated 24 kitchens in a commercial project. The second day, I templated 65 in a 5-hour time.
Wow. Yeah. Beautiful.